I am always writing for my future self. All of my notes, all of the thoughts that I translate to ink, markings on paper, are for myself to see. An older self, perhaps minutes, days, months, and even years older. Writing is a way to process what I've learned, to preserve memories, and have a more tangible way to follow my train of thought. It is neither my past or present self that I write for. Time just keeps moving forward. Every millisecond I become older. It's almost as if in writing, I'm clinging desperately to the past, trying to drag my feet as time pulls me forward. I cannot write to my past self, neither am I able to write to my present self. Writing is a method I use to examine the past and catch interesting moments, to build a personal reference of what's passed through or into my awareness. A reference of what has meant something to me. And thus, what I write is an indication of what I've felt something for. Maybe that's curiosity, happiness, frustration, conflict, or accomplishment. My tools for writing are simple. They consist of a blank notebook, a fountain pen, and sometimes music. It's mostly instrumental, sometimes lyrical in a non-English language. Each time that I begin a new section or page, I start by writing the date. Afterwards, I make a small symbol from my notation system to indicate what type of content is about to flow forth. This allows for quick identification of the section in the future. So why do I keep writing?
I think for me, the writing works in a few ways. So one is that it offers a way to relieve the pressure from my mind of having to remember such and such things. And second, it's a way that I can actually concretely translate my feelings and thoughts into words, into the language. Because I don't believe that we think in words. I believe that our thoughts our thinking process is based on feelings, on memories, and it's more emotion-based. It's only when we speak or when we write that the translation must happen if we are to have any hopes of another human being having some sense of understanding of what we are trying to express.
Writing is the way of my life, a practice that allows me to grow as a human being.